Today we're going to have a little look at the HandyScan from the vsCODE range of barcode systems. Now, unlike the rest of the vsCODE range, which are fixed mount barcode scanners to be fitted to a production line, the HandyScan is a handheld scanner with a keypad and display, which allows us to verify we're packing the correct products in a hand packing operation. Now I'm just going to pull the trigger here just to power the unit up. As you can see, the screen comes live and it goes through its little startup sequence. Now this reader can read all of your 1D and 2D barcodes, EAN codes, UPC, data matrix codes, QR codes, pharma codes, all that kind of thing. And when this is booted up, it comes to this main screen, and from here I can just scan a barcode, and all it tells me is that it's read a barcode. The type of code that it's read is a pharma code, and this one reads 619. I could also scan the UPC code there, and again it tells me it's read it, it's a UPC code, and it shows me the number. Now where this becomes useful is that we can set the match string in this so that we can verify one after another that each product has the correct barcode information on it. This is available in two different formats. This particular one is set up so that we're going to input that code manually, but it can also be shown on a kind of show and go system, so we can click set, scan the barcode we want to match, and then it will carry on. That's very handy when we're looking at codes that have got a lot of data in them, so it's just typing it in. So I'm going to go ahead and press set, and I'm going to click 1882, and I'm going to click OK. It now tells me that the match has been set to 1882, which should be this pharma code here. So I've scanned that, I get a green tick and it says it's a match. Then when it comes back to the main screen, I'm left with the green LED up. It tells me a match. It's a pharma code and it reads 1882. There we go again. If I then scan a code that doesn't match, I get 3 beeps. And it says no match, and then the main screen again says no match. The type is pharma code in this case, and 619. And again, if I scan the barcode there, no match, red cross, red LED, no match for a UPC code, etc., etc. So I can be using this on an ongoing basis while packing a certain product. Once I'm finished packing that product, I can then click the clear button here. It tells me the match code has been cleared. So there is no match and no match anymore. We just go back to saying that it's red, and just gives us information about the code. So this is the HandyScan from the vsCODE range, available from Visicon.